Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start with some laughing but get to the crafting. Okay, so for this ornament we'll need a Dollar Tree mini clay pot, some golf ball, glitter, some jute, some ribbon, Mod Podge, like a tinsel stick, and a couple of markers if you want to draw. If you're gonna put the stickers, make a face, then you can use the stickers. Okay, so I will paint my little clay pot with the Beverly chalk paint and the color plaster, and then at the on the bottom lip I will add my Mod Podge and sprinkle some glitter on it, so, and then let it dry. So while this will be drying, I will make a like a little crown for the angel's head. Okay, to make the wings, we're gonna use the jute from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it around my 4 fingers a couple of times, and then I will secure it in the middle and we'll place it in the back of the statue. Okay guys, for this ornament we will be using a scraps that I have left from Dollar Tree ribbon, and if I don't have enough, I have a new roll, but I'm gonna try use what the leftovers I have. So we will need to cut 5 strips of this ribbon, and they should be a 7-inch long. Then when I do that, I will fold them like an airplane, like the paper airplane when you do that when you were a kid. I have done a million of those, but that's not the point. Anyway, so after that I will secure everything with the pipe cleaner or zip tie, whatever you call it, right in the middle. When I was almost done, it looked like it was missing something, so I added a little bit of white berries, and also on the back I made a loop from my jute from the Dollar Tree, so you will be able to hang your snowflake on your Christmas tree. Okay guys, for this project we'll need some Scrabble letters, and I got a bunch in my pack that I ordered it on Amazon a long time ago. I will link it in the description below if you want to see. A regular snowflake, and I will be spelling the word joy. And that is all for this project. For this project, we will need 7 wine corks, some snowflake stickers. Everything is from Dollar Tree except the wine corks. Then you need a burlap ribbon, some jute, a hot glue gun. And what I will do, I will arrange my wine corks and I will glue them in the shape of a flower. Then attach a snowflake on the middle. And before I glue the last piece, I will insert a jute in between, so that will make it a perfect holder for my ornament. In addition, I will use my burlap ribbon to make a cute little bow that I would like to attach to the top. And also guys, if you're looking for wine corks, I will link it down in description below. The place where I got it, it was on Amazon, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. But if you have plenty, then great. I don't drink wine, so I had to get mine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Elena and this is my DIY channel, Elena Jenkins DIY. I'm so excited to see you guys here. I post videos weekly. Crafting is my passion and I love to share them with you. Okay guys, for this ornament we will need an empty toilet paper roll, some burlap fabric, and mine is an old scarf that I cut it off, some ribbon, and the ribbon looks like a candy cane. I got it at the Walmart. So and of course the jute. Well, you can't go without the jute. So what you would do, you will wrap your material around the toilet paper roll, and then I will secure it on each side with my jute and make it look like a candy stick. Then I will make a small little bows from my ribbon and I will attach it to each side of my candy cane, and that will be it. For this ornament, you will need 5 wooden beads, a little bell, and some jute. This is going to be a super easy and super cute. You will put your jute through every hole of the wooden beads. I got actually the wooden beads in a huge pack on Amazon, and I will link it in the description below if you would like to see. The metal bell, I got it off one of my ornaments that I got at the Dollar Tree, and what I will do, I will tie a knot on one end so the beads won't fall off, and I will attach my red little bell, and on the other end I will make it a loop so it would be able to hang on a tree. This project I will be using a napkin that I bought a set at the Walmart and a wooden stump that I got a set of 25. I think it comes in a pack from Artesia. I will link it in the description below if you would like to check it out. So I outlined the circle on my napkin and then I cut it out, and as you can tell I used the Mod Podge first and then separated another piece of layer from the napkin, so it will be the really thin left one only, and I attached it to my wood stump. Then I waited a little bit so it dried, and then I did another coat of Mod Podge right on the top. Also, I used a little tool from my Cricut. You can use anything you like to, because those wooden stumps are coming with already pre-made little holes. So I made sure it's already all open. And then I put my little piece of jute in there and secure the entrance so I can hang it on my tree. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Don't forget to check out my other social media accounts. I will pop it on the screen, and also they will be linked in the description below. But that is all for today. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next DIY video real soon. Bye for now.